Fluffy chicks in jungle green, waddle by the river scene. Leaves above and streams below, through the forest they all go. Inside the falls with mist so light, the chicks enjoy their snacks so bright. They chirp and giggle in the sun, a jungle picnic full of fun. On sandy shores where palm trees sway, the fluffy chicks laugh all the day. They build and splash in seaside cheer, their beachy giggles fill the air. In fields of flowers tall and wide, the chicks play games and run and hide. With butterflies that twirl and spin, their meadow dance begins to grin. Down the mountain fast they slide, on leafy sleds, a thrilling ride. The snowy peaks shine in the sky, as chicks soon pass with feathers high. Puddles sparkle on the ground, as fluffy chicks jump all around. The sun peeks out, a rainbow glows, and joy across the farmyard flows. Through glowing woods with magic light, the chicks explore with pure delight. The mushrooms shine, the sparkles gleam, it feels just like a forest dream. The boat floats gently with the breeze, past glowing lights and whispering trees. The chicks sit still and softly sing, beneath the stars their hearts take wing.
TuttuguttuTV.